Hey friends, welcome back to my channel, Accidental Beauty. If you're new, welcome. My name's Laura. I'm a self-taught makeup enthusiast who just loves playing with color, playing with different textures, glitters, sparkle, all of that. And that's what we're going to be doing today. I'm going to be showing you guys how I do my pretty much everyday makeup look. I'm wearing it on my face today. It's a very quick and simple look, and it is absolutely guaranteed to get you lots of compliments from people. So if you guys want to know kind of my easy makeup secrets, then please keep on watching. Okay, so I'm just gonna use the NYX glitter primer, and I'll just put a little bit of that on my eyelids. So for this type of makeup look, honestly, it is like the easiest thing ever. It takes me about 10 minutes in the morning to do the whole look. Lately, I haven't been wearing eyeshadow every day. I'll usually do a bit of eyeliner and mascara, call it a day there, but on days where I want to add a little bit more something to my look, this is what I do. Personally, I like to use a shimmery duochrome or multi-chrome eyeshadow. Just put that all over my lid. So some of my favorites include shades from Divina. So most of these on this side are Divina shadows. I've got the entire Exploders collection, I think. So a lot of these sort of pastel looking ones, that's from Divina. These two down here, so that one, and then these two shimmery ones up here. Those ones are by Shine by SD. Those ones also really work nicely. I've got even like some darker ones, like I've got a couple multi-chromes from Terra Moons, this multi-chrome from JD Glow. Pretty much like you're guaranteed to have this work if you use any shimmery eyeshadow, but particularly any duochrome or multi-chrome. I've also got these really special shadows from Cliona. I've got 4 with this white base, and then they've got a reflective color. You can't really tell too well on camera. And then I've got some that are, you know, colored bases that are duochromes or multi-chromes. I think they're all multi-chromes. Anyways, just trying to give you a bunch of different ideas, but pretty much it can work with any very shimmery, glittery, or highly reflective shadow. You can do this also with something that's like sort of more of like a standard sort of flatter metallic shadow like this one. This is also from JD Glow. This is their shimmer collection. So these types of shadows were just sort of like a basic kind of like metallic eyeshadow. It'll work, it just won't have the same impact. So I would definitely, like this one in comparison is also from JD Glow. This is their Metallin collection. So it's like, you can see just the comparison there. This one is a lot more reflective, very glittery effect. Or you can use a straight up glitter like this one from ColourPop. This is one of their pressed glitters. So anyways, just trying to give you some ideas. I think I'm going to use something from Cliona because I really like their eyeshadows. So I'm going to use this shade, which is called Phosphorescent. It's white with a green to pink shift. Literally all I do is I dip my finger in here and then I just stamp that across the eyes, and that's it. That's what it's looking like. I don't know if it's really showing up. Like you can definitely see, if I look forward, you can see the green, and then you can kind of see the pink. If I turn a certain way, you can sort of see a bit of that on camera. You can definitely see it a lot more on my phone, so maybe I'll just put a clip of what I'm seeing on my phone right now. These shadows are really, really special because of all the different color shifts. And that's why I really like wearing them for this type of look, because even though it's such a simple look, the fact that these eyeshadows reflect the light coming from different angles and they look different depending on which angle you're facing, it just really makes a very simple but very impactful statement. Sometimes I'll add a bit more, like I'll add color in my crease, or I'll add a little bit of color on the outer corners of my eyes. I don't think I'm going to do that today because I really just want to keep it simple. All right, so I just put on a wig and this is the final look. I know the wig just makes it like amped up a lot more, but this is actually a really, really simple look. This has basically been my everyday makeup lately, and I've been really loving it. I get a lot of compliments, and it's really, really easy and quick to achieve. So I hope you enjoyed this. I hope it was helpful. I hope you were able to take away some tips and tricks that you can implement in your own makeup looks. Normally, I don't do false lashes. I just feel like on camera, my lashes just disappear, and like I have pretty long lashes, but I just feel like they don't really show up on camera. So I put on false lashes, but oh, and my lash is like completely flying off. Both of them are. It's just a really quick, easy makeup look that is guaranteed to give you a lot of compliments. And I think it just looks really flattering. It's a nice pop of color, a nice little statement. So I think it's also pretty office safe. You don't have to go with green eyeshadow. You can do colors that are a little bit safer for the office. It's a fun little sparkle. I like to do these types of looks, especially in the winter, because it's just very like dull and gray here. The sun doesn't come out very often. So it's just a nice little pop of color to brighten everything. And especially with this wig, it brightens things even more. So if you guys enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you thought in the comment section below. Was it helpful? Let me know. If there's also any tutorials or anything that any type of video that you want me to do, feel free to comment below as well. If you like the type of looks that I do here on my channel, I'm sure you'll enjoy the content that I post on my other social media. It's a lot of bold, colorful, fun makeup looks. It's often a lot of the looks that I do here on my channel. I'll do extra content on my other social media. So if you like the stuff here, I'm sure you'll enjoy the stuff there, and I would really appreciate it if you could give me a follow on those platforms. I always leave links in the description box. And if you enjoy the content that I post here on my channel and you want to see more, I'd love it if you could subscribe and turn on notifications, and that way you'll get updated every time I post a new video, and I'll see you guys next time.